Hey guys, this is just a quick review about the DJI Osmo Pocket and the problems I have with this camera inside the cockpit. So stay tuned. So I bought a DJI Osmo Pocket Pro to film myself inside the plane. But I had some strange issues with the picture quality. I will show you in a second. I attached it to the right side of the window with this suction mount from RAM. And I also bought the accessory kit from DJI. It comes with this mount. It will fit on every standard GoPro mount with this two-finger system. Anyway, so as you can see in the footage, in the pre-flight check, when I added some power, then there was like this strange wobbling. But it was not always when there was a high power setting. So when I took off, you can see here, there was like no wobbling. So that's strange. And there was like extremely wobbling when I was like in straight and level flight, like you can see here. You can also see the view from the other camera. The plane is rather stable. And that's just like a $40 action cam. And I don't know what causes this issue. If you have the same problem with this camera, let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, subscribe and like. And as always, thank you for watching and bye-bye.